So I'm Jorge Cortez with Santa Barbara Evolution Landscape, and the crew just finished doing a landscape inspection for our regular landscape maintenance client. And what we provide you is we can provide you a weekly or bi-weekly regular landscape maintenance service. And what that contains is removing the weeds, pruning the roses, trimming all the trees, hedges, plants, shrubs, really making your landscape really looking neat, clean, and fresh for you and your family to enjoy. And what that also includes is a quarterly landscape inspection where we meticulously check such as the irrigation, we check for any disease or insects that may be damaging your plants, we check your mulch, if you need more mulch to fill in your landscape and freshen it up. We check the flagstone, make sure it's solid and firm, all these steps for you to walk. We want to prevent any hazardous issues that may cause you any harm. We also check the integrity of fences and gates. We write down notes such as if you have extra waste, trash, that needs to be hauled away, and we'll give you that assessment. Yes, especially for rental properties, because many of our clients have commercial properties that we have to give a report and assessment because we are their eyes and ears for them. We're here regularly on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, and we want to make sure that we give all the information to them in order to make the right choices to improve their landscape. And we do this every quarter, so you gotta at least do this 4 times a year. Why? Because the irrigation frequently gets clogged, frequently gets sliced or cut up and gets damaged, and there are leaks. And if there are leaks in the irrigation, you're wasting water. We're not being efficient with your watering, and the plants are not gonna grow. So it's really important that all these items are being looked, assessed, and then improved on to make sure you have the best landscape for your home. If you want to find out more information of our landscaping services for residential and commercial properties, give us a call or visit our social media, and we'll be more than happy to provide you a free landscape consultation.